It's no secret that actors in the adult film industry have some of the most demanding jobs when it comes to maintaining their bodies and energy levels. Their work requires stamina, confidence, and a camera-ready appearance at all times. Recently, a natural trick known as the honey trick has taken this industry by storm, and for good reason. This simple method has become the go-to secret for adult film stars who need to stay lean, reduce bloating, and keep their energy levels high for long shoots. Unlike the quick fixes the weight loss industry pushes, this trick works with your body naturally, helping to enhance gut health, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling light and energized. I first heard about it from an actor who swore it was a game changer. He mentioned that since starting the honey trick, he feels less bloated, more confident, and ready to take on his demanding schedule with ease. Intrigued, I decided to give it a try, and wow, within days I noticed my bloating vanish, my mood improve, and my energy skyrocket. The magic of this trick lies in its simplicity and natural approach. By combining specific ingredients in just the right way, the honey trick helps your body naturally flush out toxins, curb bloating, and support overall wellness. And the best part, it's easy to make, completely natural, and doesn't rely on harmful chemicals or extreme measures. If the pros in one of the most body-conscious industries are using this to stay in top shape, it's worth seeing what Nitrox Pro can do for you. They created a simple formula using the honey trick, designed to give you the results without the hassle. Click Learn More below to get access to the full details and start transforming your body today. But hurry, this secret is spreading fast and stocks are running low.